Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first time vlogging. This is my first vlog. Ooh, yay. But anyway, excuse me if I look at myself instead of looking at the lens because I'm using my phone. And I'm at my cousin's place. You can see her in the background. Hey cousin.
Hey guys.
But yeah. Oh, she is so cute. But I'm at her place and I'm about to cook egusi. So yeah. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Just spend the day with us. Yes. So these are the main ingredients. We have like the meat. I have like beef and cow skin, the onions and green bell pepper. And right here we have tomatoes and red bell pepper, the spinach, and then we have like dry shrimp, and then we have some fresh shrimp. We have like the spices here, salt, garlic, what is it, pepper. And then this is called sumbala in my language. I don't know the name in English. And then we have like Maggi cubes, and then we have like the star of the show, the Egusi melon seeds. We have it right here, so stay tuned.